So next we're going to change the entire look and feel of our website, and we're going to use something called a theme. So a theme is something that you kind of install into your WordPress installation, and it basically changes the layout and look of your theme. And so what really it comes down to is if you were like a web developer, you would know how to kind of change all the HTML and the CSS and all that stuff to make a website exactly how you wanted it to. So what a theme is somebody does that kind of stuff, like they do all the development, and usually there's a couple of options that you could change without having to code anything, and then you take on the look of that theme. I went through and I took the liberty of going through a couple of themes that I thought might work, and I've chosen a theme that is very flexible and allows us to customize a lot. And it'll also help us if we want to grow this business and grow this site, it could scale a little bit with us. So I picked out a theme that I think will work like that, and it's free. It's something you can get right through WordPress. So let me show you exactly how you do that. If I come over here on the appearance little section, and we're in the menu item, now I'm going to click on the themes item. So these are themes that I have installed already. And if I want to get or look for a theme, you would just click on add a new theme, and it takes you to this repository within WordPress that you could literally look through hundreds and hundreds of different themes. And these are like featured themes, popular themes, favorites, or you could just do like a feature filter. The features I look for, I think it was a 2-column design with a front page posting on there. So I thought that was that would work for us. So if I click that, and you can see the ones that come up like that. And if you go to the bottom, you will see the theme I chose is called Mantra. Now it's a free theme, and it's already installed in this WordPress, so I could activate it, but I can't install it here. So say, it wasn't installed, or if you're just looking for it and you're going to use the same theme as I'm going to show you, let's just say it was this one here. Instead of saying activate, it would say install, and then you would click install. It would install it, and then you'd be able to use it. Now, let's just say you have a theme from outside of the WordPress repository. You buy a theme or some theme you get, and you want to install it in. Then what you would do is you would just come here to upload theme. You'd click upload theme, and then you would pull like the whole, it's usually like in a zip file. You pull the whole zip file in, and then WordPress would install it for you. So that's how you do that if you had something that wasn't in this repository. But since that one is in the repository, let's just let me show you how to activate that, and let me show you what it looks like. Actually, if you just know the name, you could just kind of type Mantra, and then it comes up. So I mean, there's multiple ways to find things here. But anyway, let's go back to that themes tab. Now these are all the themes. This is the 2017 like WordPress default theme. There's a 2015, 2016. This is a premium theme that's kind of old, and I was using it at one point, but I want to kind of go with something a little different. So I went with the Mantra theme, and so if I'm going to basically, here it is, it's installed. So I'm going to basically just click activate. Active. Okay, that's the active theme. Now I want to show you what the difference is. Oh, and here, this one says the following recommended plugin is currently inactive because I downloaded it, but this Cry Out Serious, which is the company that makes that theme, there's this theme setting. So this is something you should definitely download if you're using this theme, because it gives you a lot more flexibility. So I've already downloaded it, but if this is a plugin that the theme developer recommends you get. So if you go into now this section down here is plugins. And now this one here, I'll just quickly tell you, so this Akismet one, anti-spam, this comes with WordPress install. I would definitely recommend activating it. And you may have to just kind of get this key code, like this API key number from them. If you're a commercial site, you may have to pay a few dollars, but I think for just a personal site, it's free. So definitely do that, because if literally there's like thousands of spam. Like once people figure out that your website exists, you can get like thousands of spam every month, maybe more, so this kind of weeds out all that spam. So it's definitely worthwhile doing. Here's this Cry Out Serious theme. And so what you want to do is activate this. So this goes with all their custom themes, Cry Out Creation. So you got this Nirvana, Parabola, Tempura, and Mantra. So activate that, because you basically want to get this thing as flexible as possible. So now let's take a look at the website. So if I click back on this website, this is the old theme. And the way you would kind of, see what the new theme looks like is you just refresh the page. So let's click refresh and just see the difference. So now this is the difference. Now I know what you're saying, like this isn't so brilliant the way it looks right now, but we're gonna do a little work on this. But at the end of the day, I think we'll be okay with this one. Let's take a break here and let's get back into that dashboard and kind of start customizing this website. I will start that in the next video.